for a couple nights of camping. It's early in January, and right now, this place is extremely dry because the lack of rain in California. All the trails in this area were closed for several weeks because the recent brush fire. I'm so glad they finally opened this area again. Later on tonight, I'm expecting my friend and his wife to join me. I hope you enjoyed the video, and Happy New Year.
Do you hear the wind?
Yeah.
It was pretty loud.
My battery died. My heater went off. Like probably like 4:45. It was cranking all night. I anchored. I had it like medium, so the fan was blowing harder. So I think it was using more of the battery.
Yeah,
that's. I didn't realize that. I should have let it heat up and then lower it down back to low.
I should have tell you that too.
I forgot because I heard it all night, and I woke up because it got quiet and I could hear the wind. I'm like, light. You're in first gear. You take off, right? Sensitive. As soon as you hit the pedal, at least I think you're gonna hit the pedal. It's not gonna jump. It's gonna slowly, gradually get up to speed. Because you're starting in second instead of first. But you can probably hear your engine revving. Like your RPMs are going up, but you're not moving as fast. Like kind of like slowly, gradually, kind of going up to speed. In second, you can't go that fast anyways. It's not like, you know, first, there's different speeds for each gear. Right.
Two rooms.
Oh.
The only thing is, it's pretty heavy, and also it's pretty bulky. So when I go places that I don't really need it,
I like that.
that's it.
Yeah.
That's all I need. Yeah.
I could shower in that thing. You know, it has in the corners like vent, screen, so water can run off.
I got into IPAs for a while, but they're really heavy.
Yeah, they
A
are.
lot of calories.
Yep.
And the alcohol content's too high.
A lot of
So
alcohol.
Mhm.
scale it back a little bit. I like Modelo's. It's kind of my go-to.
What is it?
Modelo?
Yep, that's me.
That was a good climb. Amazing view up here. You coming up?
It's easier.
Be careful.
It's not as steep right here.
Let's go sideway.
No, don't go.
That's it.
Take your time.
Yep.
Go like a rock at a time.
I think I want to go up there. Yeah.